Morning guys, Caper Craig here. Just thought I'd give a quick update video. I'm doing some carpentry work here on the building where I live and work, replacing all these eaves up here. And right up here in the corner, way up there, you can see I just was tearing this corner apart and I found a baby bird nest. So I have the bird right here. I was able to get the bird out. Let me see if we can spot him. He's right in there. There he is. There was only one baby. He's quite scared, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and place the nest somewhere else, and hopefully the mother will not abandon him. We certainly don't want to hurt the animals. There's many wildlife and animals here on the farm, and we certainly try and rescue them or save them whenever we're doing work. But hopefully this little fellow will survive. I'm going to take him and we're going to see if we can find him a new home. I'm hoping to, I'm going to transplant him over here. I'm thinking I know the mom was around. I don't see her now. I hope she hasn't abandoned him. But we're gonna put him up here. I'm gonna put him up here in the trees, in the box. He's as you can see, he's quite scared, quite nervous. Hopefully his mama will find him. Oh, he's not happy. He wants to get out, of course. I didn't touch him. I can hear he's crying now. Probably crying for his mama. I'd like to put him up in the tree high enough, but I'm going to try and place him in the tree here. I think I'll just put him on the ground and I'll wedge him in Sorry about the bad camera view. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay. Whew. There he is. There he is. He's down there. Okay, little fella. I'm going to leave you alone. Hopefully your mom... now, I've touched the nest, so hopefully the mother will come. Alright, guys. Woo! We got him. Alright, I got him here, nestled in these trees. There he is, right there in the box. I took my shoe box, stuffed it full of grass and leaves, and all I did was just put the nest in the box, and there it is between the trees. And I'm going to leave him now, leave him alone. Hopefully his mom will come back and look after him. We'll check on him at the end of the day. Bye for now.